The stress of people talking on set, Instagram notifications going off, planes flying over. Actually, not many planes this year. Anyway, these nominees are legends for keeping a cool head when working.
Sorry, Mama Ellen.
And the BAFTA goes to John Thomas, Gareth Bull, James Ridgway, Dillon, Bennett, Eilam, Hoffman, James Drake. His Dark Materials, Episode 7.
Thank you, BAFTA.
Big thank you to my team, Jason, Rory and Mirine. And a thank you to Jane Tranter, Dan McCulloch and Rupesh Parekh and all at Bad Wolf.
I'd like to thank the sound editorial team, Linda Forson, Adam Hawley, Grace Haverbook, Matt Waits, Hans Owens, Christoph Ortel, Carsten Reichter and Jim Taylor-Beeson.
I'd really like to thank everyone in our amazing Technicolor teams in both London and Cardiff, especially John Fleming, Lou Stevenson, Charlotte Lang and Will Stanton. This means so much to us all. Thank you.
And huge thanks to Stephen Harron and Basha Lalek and the incredible music team headed up by Lorne Balfe and Al Green. Thank you, goodbye.
Thank you.